Okay, Audi just dropped a bombshell at the IAA Mobility show in Munich, and it's making waves across the automotive world. Imagine a two-seat sports car that doesn't just replace the iconic TT or the legendary R8 but carves its own path entirely. What Audi's doing is nothing short of revolutionary, and trust me, you're gonna want to stick around to find out why. Just announced, Audi's Concept C is set to go into production next year as an electric two-seater, and it's not what anyone expected. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this car is turning heads and shaking up the sports car landscape. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. This could change everything. So here's the scoop: Audi's new model, which we're guessing will feature e-tron in its name, isn't replacing the TT or the R8. It's positioned right in between, a fresh take for the brand. This electric marvel is a nod to the past with hints of the Rosemeyer concept from 2000, yet it's paving the way for the future. But here's where things get really interesting. Audi's design for the Concept C is a glimpse into the brand's styling direction post-2027. It's going to influence everything, whether it's electric or internal combustion. Now, let's dive deeper. Audi, once a beacon of design innovation, is reclaiming its title. The Concept C brings back that pure, simple interior design, with switchgear crafted from machined metal and aluminum, giving you that satisfying click. It's more than just a car, it's a statement. And in the electric two-seater arena, there's room to grow. The Audi will share a platform with the upcoming electric 718 Porsche Cayman, thanks to the Volkswagen Group. Pricing is expected to land between $90,000 and $100,000, making it an exciting prospect for sports car enthusiasts. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. This isn't just about a new car, it's about Audi's evolution and the future of automotive design. As the world shifts towards electric vehicles, Audi is setting the stage with a bold, new vision. Picture a world where electric coupes are not only viable but incredibly desirable. It's a game changer, and Audi's leading the charge. So, what does this mean for the future of cars? Well, Audi's move could redefine what we expect from electric sports cars and influence the broader trends in the industry. It's a bold prediction, but as we see more brands embrace electrification, Audi's approach could set the standard for years to come. Now, back to our opening hook: this is a game changer. Do you think Audi's new direction will redefine the electric sports car market? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because next week, I'm breaking down how this all ties into the upcoming innovations from other major brands.